Okay, let's take this one as example 2 under calculating distances along great circles. Don't forget that I said or explained that to calculate distance along great circle means to find the distance along what? Along longitude and equator, because longitude lines of longitude are great circles and also what? An equator. Okay, now we have points A and B. We have 2 points. So we have A, point A, 0 north degree, comma 20 degree west, and B, 0 north degree, comma 45 degree west are 2 places on the earth surface. There are 2 places on the earth surface. Okay, so how do we go about that? Are 2 places on the earth surface. Then find the angular difference between the 2 points, between them. Then B, if the radius of the earth is 6,400 kilometers, calculate the distance between A and B along the equator. So you need to draw this. So this is the north, this is the south, this is the polar axis. So this is what? East. This is what? West. This is equator. Okay? This is equator. And let's look at it. When you have 0 north degree or 0 south degree or 0 degree, it means what? It means equator. Okay? Now, this one is the center of the sphere or the center of the earth is this. Okay, now don't forget I told you that the first one is always latitude, while the second one is what? Is longitude. So this is latitude and this one is longitude. Okay, so it starts from 0. Now we have 0 north degree, this is 0 north degree. We have 20 degree west. You come to the west and draw 20 degree what? West, longitude. This is 20 degree west. 20 degree west. This is the point of intersection. We have A. Let's call this one A. And what? 45 degree what? West at the same time. So you draw another what? Another 45. You draw 45. So this is the point of intersection. This one can be your A, and why this one can be your what? Can be your B. Okay? Then from there, you are going to draw a radius. This is the center. So just draw a straight line to meet this point and a straight line to meet this point. So you draw this one like this. Then the other one is what? You draw it like this. Okay? So this is the angle. Now, the distance between A and what? And B is what we are asked to calculate now. We need to know this distance, the A and B. Okay? But before that, you need to know the angular difference. And what is the angular difference? You need to know the angular difference. That is the first question to consider. The angular difference or difference in what? In longitude. Difference in longitude is going to be which is 45 degree minus 20 degree. Why is it minus this time around? They are minus because they are on the same direction. They are on the same direction. So when they are on the same direction like that, you subtract them. But when they are on the opposite direction, the opposite side, that's when we add them. But when you are on the same side, you do what? You subtract them. Because this 45, you know we have, what we have before, we have, that is 45 what? 45 west and what? And 20 what? 20 way. So both of them, they are on the same what? Direction. So in that case, you do what? You subtract them. But let's say we have 45 west and what? And 45, let me say 20 what? 20 east. 20 east. You can see that this and this are what? They are on the opposite direction. In that case, you do what? You add them. But when they are on the same direction, you do what? You minus them. Okay? Now, let's minus. 45 minus, this one will give you what? Will give you, this 45. This is 20. We give you 5 to give you 25 as the angular difference or difference in longitude. Now, the question says that calculate the distance between A and B. So the distance between A and B, that is at AB, which is theta over what? Over 360 times 2 pi r. Theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Don't forget your theta is what? Your theta is 25 degree. Then your r is what? Your pi. Your pi is given as what? Is given as 3.142. And your r is what? What is your r? Your r is what? The radius of the earth, which is what? 6,400 kilometers. So after that, put all these parameters inside this formula. So we have arc AB to be 25 over 360 degree, then times what? Times 2, then times 3.14, then times what? Times 6,400 over what? Over 1. Okay, so this one, something can go in this one. This one is what? 1, this one is 180. Okay, 0 will go here, 0 will go in this one. 2 here will be what? Will be 9. 2 here will give you what? 320. Okay, so we have 25 times 3.142, then times what? 320, then divided by what? Divided by 9. That's it. Now let's add them, let's multiply them together and let's see what we are going to have. We have 25 times 3.142 times 320. So this one gives us 25,136. Then divided by 9. Therefore, we have 2,792 point 2,792.2.88. So if we are to leave this one, to, let me say, to two cylinders to go, we are going to have 2,800 kilometers to what? To 2SF. So this is how to calculate the distance along the Great Circle. This is example 2. Please don't forget to do what? To like, to comment, and to share. God bless you.